Here's a little demo on how to upload your photo and your voice through the Genius Insight Quanta Capsule app. The first thing you're going to do once you open up the app on your phone or tablet is to tap on the three horizontal lines in the upper right hand portion of your page. That will open up the main menu. And from here you're going to select Upload My Voice and Image. And now you have to type in my email address and make sure you spell it right. It's mariposaenergy@gmail.com. Now it's time to record your voice. All you have to do is touch on the record icon, and the timer will start to time down from 15 seconds. It's important to speak for the entire 15 seconds. Just state your name and repeat the vowels until that second timer goes down to 0. Then, if you want, you can hit the play icon and listen to your recording. If you don't like it, you can record it again, and when you're satisfied with it, just hit Upload Voice. And hit Continue, and now it's time to take your photo. Just tap on the icon that says Photo, and now you have the choice between either taking a photo or choosing an old photo from your gallery. It's simple enough to just take a new picture right here and now, and this will turn on your camera, and you can turn your camera around so that you can see yourself, and once you do, just say cheese and take the picture. And now say, if you don't like it, you could hit retake, otherwise just hit use photo and then upload it. Success. Okay. And then hit finish, and that's it. You have successfully uploaded your photo and your voice to the Genius Insight, and I will be notified that you've done it, and I can start to process your recording. Thanks so much for watching.